This is the Optima dome. Note the dome cover or bubble has been removed. To remove the camera from the dome, locate the 3 screws and loosen. Locate the push tabs next to the retainer screws and push all 3 as shown. Be sure to have a grip on the camera and pull down slowly. The connections are at the bottom of the camera. Disconnect the power, data, and video. Inside the dome, you will find the 3 retainer tabs where the screws go. Also, you will find the video, data, and power connections. This is the inside of the housing. This is the camera out of the dome. There's your data connection, video connection, and power connection. Above them are the numbering potentiometers. 1s, 10s, and 100s. Turn to adjust and stop on the desired number. To mount camera back in the housing, be sure to connect your video, data, and power. You should see a green light come on. Turn the camera upright and line up the retainer tabs with camera slides. Carefully push the camera up. You should hear a click and be sure all clips have locked in. Tighten all 3 mounting screws and note the camera will automatically spin. That is normal.